साथ जो भी है तनी मनी जाना है एकरा ऑन कर दियो।
Hello children, your Arun sir going to teach mathematics for standard 7, and first part we have already discussed percentage. Today I am going to discuss part 2. What is there in part 2? Means next exercise. Next exercise in part 2 we are going to discuss, that is the application of percentage. Application. Where how to change fractions into percentage, percentage into fraction, decimal into fraction, ratios into fraction. What if you will get 20 out of 30, what will be the percentage? That we have discussed. In this video we will discuss about the application of percentage, means where that is applied. Same thing whatever I have discussed in the previous video. Just instead of digits or simple question, word problem will be given. So let us discuss exercise 3B. First question number 1A. Exercise 3B. Question 1A. What is there in exercise 3B question 1A? Dear children, wherever word problem is there, read it several times. Then only you will understand the question. The full marks in an examination is 600. Full mark. Full mark in an examination is 600. If a student secures 78% marks, secured mark by a student is 78%. How much does he score? Means full mark is given, secured percentage is given, and you are asked to find the marks. Very easy. No other subject can be as easy as mathematics. See dear children, very easy. 78% of 600. 600 is the total mark and you have got 78%. What to do? Simply 78% of 600. Now 78% means 78 by 100. Of 600, of means multiply 600. 2 zeros cancel and 78 6 jar. 8 6 jar 48. Carrying 4. 7 6 are 42 and 4 46. So this is the total mark. This is the 78% mark of 600. 8 6 are 48, carrying 4, 7 6 are 42 and 4 46. This is the answer. So how easy the sum is. Now let us discuss some more question, then you will come to understand. I will solve question number 4. What is there in question number 4? A man weighs 72 kg. Weight of a man is equal to 72 kg. His wife weight is 25% less than his. Wife is 25% less than the weight of the husband. Yeah, it is not necessary. Some wives are heavier than their husband. But here the wife is lighter than the husband. So, weight of wife (25% less). 25% less. If their son's weight is 10% more than his mother. Son's weight, nice question. Son's weight is 10% more than his mother. 10% more than mother. Find the son's weight. Very interesting question. See, husband's weight is given, man's weight is given 72 kg. Wife's weight is 25% less than the husband weight, and son is 10% more than the mother's weight. Find the weight of the son, dear children. First, let us find the weight of the wife. 25% less than 72 means we have to find 25% of 72. Very easy. 25% of 72. 25 by 100 into 72. 25 fours are 100 and 4 1 is 4 and 4 8. Now 25% of 72 is 18 kg and the wife is 18 kg less, means weight of wife. What will be the weight of wife? 18 kg less means 72 minus 18. 54 kg. This understood or not? Very easy or not? That man is 72 kg and wife is 25% less than the husband, man. Means 25% of 72 is 18 kg. Wife is 18 kg less than 72 kg, means wife is 54 kg. Now our question is not that. Our question is son is 10% more than the mother. Means this is mother's weight, 54 kg. Add 10% of 54. First let us find the 10% of 54. 10% of 54. It is 10 by 100 into 54. 1 cancel, means 5.4 kg. 5.4 kg more than the mother. Then, dear children, what will be the weight of the son? Just add 5.4 kg. And son is 10% more than the mother's weight. Mother is 54 kg and 10% of 54 is 5.4 kg. So son's weight will be 54 plus 5.4 kg, and that is 59.4 kg, and this is the answer. Is it very complicated question? No. No question. Keep in mind that no other subject is as easy as mathematics. Just in word problem, read the problem. What is given? Some more question we will solve. Then I will give you homework, and dear children, if you are unable to solve, just text me. Dear children, text me. Yesterday, one child sent me that, sir, I was unable to solve the question, so I haven't completed the notes. Dear children, whatever you are unable to do, just text me. But don't forget to write your name, class section, and question. Dear children, I will solve, I will help you. Why we teachers are here? We teachers are here to solve your problem. So, next question, let us see some more question. Which question I should solve? Okay, 6th number. Last question in this page, 6th number. Let me solve. What is there in question 6? Suresh spent rupees 560 in the market. If the money he spent was 40% of the money he had, how much money did he have? Try to understand the question. Suresh spent rupees 560 in the market. Spent rupees Suresh spent rupees 560 in the market. If the money he spent was 40% of the money he had, money was 40% of total money. And how much money did he have? Total money is equal to what? Try to understand the question. Read several times. What the question? How much money he has, it is not given. Only it is given that suppose he went to the market and bought something. And the shopkeeper, you have more money in pocket, more money you have. And you have spent, the shopkeeper asked that give me 560 rupees. You paid. And in percentage, that money means 560 rupees was the 40% of the total money. It was 40% of the total money. Whatever total money you have got, that total money was the 40% of the total money. Now a question arises, means only you have spent 40%, means 60% of the total money is left with you. Then find a number whose 40% is 560. Number you are not knowing, total money you are not knowing. But try to understand the concept that what is the total money whose 40% is 560. You are not knowing. And very common, as in mathematics we use, if not knowing, put it x. So let us solve it. Let total money is equal to rupees x. This understood now? And how much you have spent? 40%. Means 40% of x is 560 rupees. Write that only. That according to the question, 40% of x is equal to 560. Once more, try to understand. You spent 560 rupees and that money is 40% of the total money and you have to find the total money. Total money you have considered X and 40% of X is 560 rupees. So let us find the value of X. The value of X will be the total money and that will be the answer. And how easy to solve it? 40% of X. I have told 40% is 40 by 100. Of means multiply X is equal to 560. Now leave X this side and transfer because we have to find X. Leave X this side and transfer this side that side. Here 40 is multiplied to X, that side it will divide. And 100 is divide to X, that side when it will go, it will become multiply. This knowing now? Yes. Therefore, X is equal to, already 560 is this side of the is equal to, I have written 560. X left this side and these numbers are transferred that side. So 100 is divide here, this side it will become divide. Plus, minus, no. Then what it will become? It will become multiply. And this side, this 40 is multiplied to X. That side it will become divide to X. Means by 40. And that is the answer. So easy. Let us calculate it. 0 cancel. 4 1 ja 4. And carry 1. 4 4 ja 16. And 14 and into 100 means rupees 1400. And that is the answer. How easy the question is that you have spent 40% money and 40% is the 560 rupees and what is the total money you are asked. So dear children, very easy. Some more question let us solve. Last question and then some more question I will give. Question number 10. Question 10. Hanif scored 48 runs. Hanif scored how much run? 48 runs. If he scored 20% more runs than Roy, how many runs did Roy score? If he scored and this 48 run is 20% more runs than Roy. 20% more than Roy. Now here a question. How many runs did Roy score? Means Roy's run is equal to what? Try to understand the concept. Hanif scored 48 runs and it is 20% more than Roy's. Dear children, whatever Roy has scored, Hanif's score is 20% more. Suppose I scored century, 100 run, and you scored 20% more than me, then your run is 120 because 20% of 100 will be 20. But that we are not knowing very clear that how much Roy scored Hanif run is 48 and it is 20% more than Hanif, is 20% more than Roy. Little bit confusion. I don't know how much Roy scored. Only given Hanif's score. 48 run than more, 48 run, and it is 20% more than Roy. Let Roy's run be X. Let Roy's run is equal to X. Roy scored X run and 20% more than X means 20% if added, 20% of the Roy's run is added, then it becomes 48 according to the question. According to the question, X is what? Roy's run, and 20% is added, means 20% of what? Roy's run, X plus 20% of X. This is Roy's run and this is 20% more than Roy's run. It is added. Now it became 48. Once more try to understand. This is Roy's run and this is 20% more than Roy's run. If it is added, then became 48. Now solution, let us solve it. X plus 20% of X. 20x by 100, if I will write, you will understand now. 20% means 20 by 100, of means multiply x, means 20x by 100 is equal to 48. Dear children, how to solve such type of question? How to solve? X is here, like terms are there. X is here also x term. So addition and subtraction is possible in the like term. So let us take LCM as 100. Now what it will become? 100x plus 20x is equal to 48. This understood or not? Now next part, 100x plus 20x, 120x by 100 is equal to 48. Very clear? This 100x and 20x you have added and divide by 100 and it is equal to 48. Let us solve it. 48, leave x this side, leave 48 this side and transfer these numbers. These numbers 100, where it will go? In multiplication. And this 120 will come here. 0, 0 cancel. 12 4s are 48 and 400. Huh? No, sorry. 10 4s are 40. This is the answer. Once more try to understand. Once more try to understand. Hanif scored 48 runs and 20%, it is 20% more than Roy's run, and you are asked to find the Roy's run. What we have considered? Roy's run as X and Hanif run 20% more than Roy's run, so 20% of X, and after solution we got 40, that 40 run is Roy's and 20% of 40, you will find 20% of 40. 20% of 40. Sorry, 20% of 40, not 48. 20% of 40. 8 means 8 more runs score by Hanif and 8 more run than 40 is 48. This question, this type of question may be asked other way. Let me discuss. And keep one thing in mind, that it is not necessary in mathematics, it is not necessary that the question will be from your book. The type will be from your book. Instead of Hanif, Mohan may be there. Instead of Ram, Sohan may be there. Instead of 48, 84 may be there. And instead of 20% more, 48% more may be there. But the concept will be same. So let us solve one more question, and one more thing I will like to solve, I will like to discuss. In short, there x plus 20% of x. Shortcut solution. X and 20% of x. Directly you can write 120x by 100. Understood or not? It will reduce your calculation time. X plus 20% of x means 120x by 100. If I will ask x plus 48% of x, say me the answer. X plus 48% of the x, 148x by 100. Now x minus 40% of x. X minus, solve it. Directly you can write 100 minus 40 means 60x by 100. Let me solve and let me discuss from where this 60x by 100 came. What I have told you, x minus 40% of x. X minus 40% of x. X minus 40% means 40 by 100 and x. LCM is 100. You will take 100 into x, 100x minus 40x, and 100x minus 40x is 60x by 100. So directly you can do the calculation. Understood or not? And some more question we will discuss. And we will come to the conclusion. Two persons are there, A and B. You are A and he is B. You are 20% more than B. A is 20% more than B. Then B is what percent less than A? My Lord, what I have asked? What type of question I have given? Once more, let me make you understand. Let me write this question. A is 20% more than B. A is 20% more than B. Find what? B is what percent less than A? Question understood or not? Or confusing question? Once more try to understand. A is 20% more than B. Find B is what percent less than A. Dear children, unknown. Percentage less is asked. What is asked? Percentage less. It is asked. In this case, wherever such type of question is there, A is 20% more, then take B as 100. It will be easy for you to calculate. Let B is equal to 100. Okay, and A is 20% more. Therefore, 20% of 100 is what? 20. So, A is equal to 100 plus 20 means 120. Now, A is 120 and B is 100. What percent less it is? Means in 120 what percentage you have decreased or reduced that it became 100. Once more try to understand. 120 minus what percentage of 120 you have reduced? X% of 120. Try to understand. X% of 120 you have reduced, decreased from 120, then it became 100. A tough calculation, difficult to understand. Okay. 120 minus x by 100 into 120 is equal to 100. This part understood. Now transfer, this is 120 here. 120 minus 120x by 100 is equal to 100. Transfer this side. It will become plus. So 120 and bring this side minus 100 is equal to, this is minus 120. If it will go, it will become 120x by 100. Very clear? 120 minus 100, 20. And this, if it will come this side, will become 100 by 120 is equal to x. 2 6 are 3, 50. Don't leave it. X is equal to 50 by 3. Change it into which fraction? Means 16 whole 2 by 3% less it is. Understood or not? But I think that difficult to solve such type of question. Some easy trick, let me give some easy trick so that you can solve it easily. See here, same question. Question is that A and B are there and A is 20% more than B. Question is A is 20% more than B. A is 20% more than B. And what I have told, take B as 100. That part is clear. Let B is equal to 100. And A is 20% more, therefore A will be 120. Now percentage more or percentage less, one formula I am giving. Percentage, what it is asked? A is 20% more than B, then what percent? B is less than A. Percentage less or more. In both you can apply this formula. Percentage less or percentage more, that is equal to difference into 100 by original value. What things I am writing here? Dear children, try to understand. I have to find percentage less. Then what is B percent less? Percentage less. Difference is 120, 20. Difference is 20 into 100. Difference is 20 into 100. By original value. Means original value, what is less? It is asked now. Means original value is 120. And we have to find percentage less. So 120. Got the answer? Or not? Came or not? Understood or not? Confusion is there. Okay. In the next video, we will discuss some more question. And dear children, the homework will be exercise 3B. But homework will be exercise 3B, and if you are finding problem in solving any of the question, once more I will like to say that text me, write me the question, exercise number, question number, and I will solve and I will send you it to you. Thank you very much.